Hi, I'd like to invite you to a Feel Fabulous workshop at my house Friday, April 20th at 9 a.m. I'm going to be talking about my experience with intermittent fasting, autophagy, insulin resistance, and how all this relates to inflammation and reducing inflammation. It relates to losing fat and feeling fabulous, really. It has really been quite miraculous, this intermittent fasting. It's changed my life. It's made me so aware of how often I'm popping things in my mouth. And it's what has been so great about this, it's really been an easy process. I've lost about 5-6 pounds. My energy is always pretty good. I kind of keep going. But I would love for you to come if this is something that's interesting to you. I'm serving bulletproof coffee. Have you had that yet? Life-changing. And I'm making grain-free, sugar-free cookies, so that is delicious too, believe it or not. So I hope you can make it, but please RSVP. I have a small living room, and I need to know how many cups I need to get out. So let me know if you can make it. Thanks so much. Have a fabulous day. The sun is out.